Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Slack collaboration app for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Slack collaboration app for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search this on your search bar. And after searching, you will now be able to see this website, which is where we can download the app, so just go and click it. And then you will now be on the website. So to download the Slack app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download options right here. But before selecting an option, let me explain the difference between these two first so you will know what you should select. So let's begin with the download.exe option, although most of you probably know this already. .exe is a traditional way to install Slack on your computer. It's a standard installer that you run and it will guide you through the installation process. This is the easier way to install the app, and this is great if you're installing Slack on just one device. And on the other hand, the MSIX option is a newer modern format designed for better management. This is great if you're installing the app on multiple devices. MSIX makes updates smoothly and installs the app in a more secure and efficient way. It also helps admins to push update or manage installations. This one is perfect for companies or organizations that need to manage a lot of devices. So in simple words, if you're installing Slack for personal use on one computer only, selecting .exe is a better option, but if you're managing multiple devices or need a more automatic update system, the MSIX is the best option for you. What you will select here will depend on your needs, but in my case, I will select the .exe option for an easier installation. And after that, your Slack installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Slack app installed on your device. So just sign in or create your account and then you will be able to use the app for collaborations. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.